Hello everyone, welcome to SRBPS online classes. Students, this is the another method to calculate dispersion, variance and the standard deviation. Now you people would be thinking when we have mean deviation, why we are going on this? Because students, mean deviation has some limitations. What are those limitations? First limitation is when we are calculating the mean deviation, we are taking the absolute values. As you people know, हमने values को modulus में रखा था. So as we are taking the absolute values, therefore it cannot be subjected to the further algebraic treatment. This is the first reason. And the second reason, what is that? When the degree of the variability will be very high, in that case, median will not be a representative central value. Why it will not be a representative central value? Because median only focuses on the mid values and it does not take into the consideration about the extreme values. So that is the reason we are shifting on the another measure of dispersion, which is variance and the standard deviation. Students, we will learn to calculate variance in an individual observation, and from there only you will understand what is this variance. And students, how we have to calculate standard deviation? It is the positive square root of the variance of a variate x. This is known as the standard deviation, and it is also denoted by sigma. And you people know what is the sigma. You will denote it in this manner. So sigma will be equal to positive square root of variance. ठीक है? Now see students, what is the variance? Variance is the square of all deviations of x from the arithmetic mean of the observations. Like this is the observation. This is the individual distribution. So what we will do first, we will find out the mean first. And after finding out the mean, we will take the deviation from the x, matlab from all the observation. And afterwards, we will square all them. We will square all the observations, all the deviations which we have taken from the mean. And after squaring, we will divide that by the total number of observation. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to find out the mean. After finding out the mean, we have to take the deviations of the each and every observation. And after finding out the deviation, we have to square them. And after getting their sum, we have to divide that by n, means total number of observation. That will be our variance. And as I have told you, standard deviation is the root of variance. So we can say what will be the variance? Variance will be the square of standard deviation. So how we will represent variance? We will represent the variance by square of sigma. Is that fine? Yes students, as you know how to calculate mean in a individual series. For formula to calculate mean is simply, it will be sigma x upon n. Sigma x means sum of the all observations, and sum of the all observation, what it will come? First of all, we are finding the sum. 8 plus 12 plus 13 plus 15 plus 22. It will be, I am adding it, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 5 18, 18 plus 2, it will be 20. So 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be 70. So 70 upon this n is representing total number of observation. How many observations are these? These are the 5 observations. So 70 upon 5, it will be equal to 14. So it means mean is over here 14. Now students, after calculating the mean, we will take deviations from mean. 8 minus 14 minus 6, 12 minus 14 minus 2, 13 minus 14 minus 1, 15 minus 14 1, 22 minus 14, it will be 8. After taking the deviations, we have to square them. It is 36, 4, 1, 1, 64. And afterwards, we will add them. Now after adding, what we will get students? We will get 106. Now what we will do? Directly we will apply the formula of calculating the variance. Now what was that? It was sigma square is equal to 1 by n into summation of deviations, summation of deviations, square deviations, in fact, summation of the square deviations. Now we are doing this 1 by n. Total observations are 5. And what we have got this? This is the 106. So 106 upon 5. What it will be? It will be 21.2. So this is our variance, 21.2. And when we have to calculate the standard deviation from the variance, we will directly find out the square root of variance. So what will be the square root of 21.2? Square root of 21.2 will be 4.60 something. So it will be the standard deviation and this will be the variance. So I think you will be now having the clarity how to calculate variance and how to calculate standard deviation in the case of individual distribution sequence.